Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a sub-account in GoHighLevel, whether you're reorganizing your agency structure or moving a client to a different account. This process makes it straightforward to relocate sub-accounts while maintaining all their data and settings intact. First, you'll need to navigate to the GoHighLevel login page and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging in with credentials that have the appropriate permissions to manage and transfer sub-accounts, as this is typically an admin level function. Once you're logged in, look to the left navigation menu and click on Sub-Accounts. This section displays all the sub-accounts currently under your agency, giving you a complete overview of the clients and workspaces you manage. It's your central hub for organizing and administering client accounts. Now, locate the specific sub-account you want to transfer. On the right corner of that sub-account, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots to reveal additional options, and from the menu that appears, select Manage Client. This takes you into the back-end management area for that particular sub-account. Once inside, direct your attention to the top corner of your screen, where you'll find an Actions button with a drop-down arrow. Click on it to expand the menu. From the options presented, select Transfer Sub-Account. This initiates the transfer process and opens up the necessary tools to move the sub-account. A new window will appear offering you 2 options: transfer to an existing account or eject as a new account. For this tutorial, select Transfer to an existing account, then click Select. This option ensures the sub-account moves to another agency that's already set up within GoHighLevel's ecosystem. Finally, you'll need to confirm the transfer. Carefully read through the consent transfer guidelines that appear on screen. These outline the responsibilities and implications of transferring the sub-account. If you agree with the terms, tick the box to confirm your consent, then type in the receiving agency's relationship number in the designated field. This number identifies the destination account where your sub-account will be transferred. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Request Transfer to complete the process. The transfer request will now be sent to the receiving agency, and they'll need to accept it on their end to finalize the move. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.